Hello everybody and welcome. Today I thought we could do a quiz. There's 50 questions and it's all general knowledge. So get yourself something to write your answers down with, or just think of them as we go along. It's currently raining outside. I'm not sure if you can hear the rain. It's very relaxing as I'm filming this. We're having a bit of a storm. So I'm going to go straight in. Now these do start from relatively easy to difficult. So hopefully you manage to get some of them right. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how many you actually got correct. Okay, are you ready? It is going to be quite fast paced. Okay, so question 1. What is the capital city of France? Question 2. How many continents are there in the world? Question 3. What gas do humans need to breathe to survive? Question 4. Which planet is known as the red planet? Question 5. What is the largest mammal in the world? Question 6. How many days are there in a leap year? Question 7. What is the smallest prime number? Question 8. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Question 9. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Question 10. What currency is used in Japan? Question 11. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Question 12. In what country are the pyramids of Giza located? What is H2O commonly known as? How many legs does a spider have? And which Disney character famously leaves a glass slipper behind? So they were all of the easy questions. I'm going to go through them again and give you the answer. Okay. And then I'll do the same with the moderate questions and then the hard questions. Okay. So for the easy questions, question 1. What is the capital city of France? Paris. How many continents are there in the world? 7. What gas do humans need to breathe to survive? Oxygen. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. What is the smallest prime number? 2. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the chemical symbol for gold? It's AU. What currency is used in Japan? Yen. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Pacific Ocean. In what country are the pyramids of Giza located? Egypt. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. How many legs does a spider have? 8. And which Disney character famously leaves a glass slipper behind? Cinderella. So those were 15 easy general knowledge questions. Let me know how many you get correct. We're now going to move on to the moderate questions. Okay? So there's 20 questions in the moderate section. I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to read the question, give you some time to answer, and then at the end I'll go back through them all. Okay? Alright, so on to the moderate. Question 1. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Question 2. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Question 3. What is the capital of Canada? Question 4. How many bones are in the adult human body? Question 5. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Question 6. What is the largest desert in the world? Question 7. Which planet has the most moons? Question 8. What does DNA stand for? Question 9. Who is the author of Harry Potter? Question 10. What is the main ingredient of guacamole? Question 11. In which year did World War II end? Question 12. What part of the human body produces insulin? Question 13. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Question 14. How many players are there in a football team on the field? So actually playing. Question 15. Who discovered penicillin? Question 16. What is the longest river in the world? Question 17. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Question 18. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Question 19. What is the largest organ in the human body? And question 20. Who painted the Starry Night? So they were all of the questions, 20 questions for the moderate section. I'm now going to go through those answers. Question 1. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Question 2. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? This is William Shakespeare. What is the capital of Canada? It's Ottawa. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? This is Neil Armstrong. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. I never know how to pronounce it. Who is the author of Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. In which year did World War II end? 1945. What part of the human body processes insulin? Pancreas. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. How many players are there in a football team on the field? 11. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. What is the longest river in the world? So there's actually two answers here. It says the river Nile, and some say the Amazon. So both are acceptable according to the answers that I'm using. I'm just using Google, so you get a point. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Wellington. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Who painted The Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh. I say Van Gogh. Okay, so those were the moderate questions and answers. Let me know how many you got correct, or you can do an overall score in the comments. So the next 15 questions are difficult, or they're in the difficult section. You might find these easy. Who knows? Are you ready? So I'm going to do exactly the same. Read the questions and then I'll go through it. Okay. Question 1. Which element has the atomic number 1? I think it stopped raining now, which is a shame because I like the rain. Question 2. Who developed the theory of general relativity? Question 3. What is the world's smallest country by area? Question 4. What is the capital of Iceland? Question 5. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Question 6. What language has the most native speakers in the world? Question 7. In computing, what does HTTP stand for? Question 8. Which chemical element was named after a planet? Question 9. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Question 10. What is the most spoken language in Africa? Question 11. Who was the first president of South Africa after apartheid ended? Question 12. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and meat? Question 13. In which year did the Titanic sink? Question 14. What is the scientific name of the human species? And question 15. What is the only food that never spoils? So they were the difficult general knowledge questions. There's 15 of them. So I'm going to go through them all now. I do just want to say these questions are from Google. So I apologise for the mispronunciation and if the answers are wrong. Okay, question 1. Which element is the atomic number 1? Hydrogen. Who developed the theory of general relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the world's smallest country by area? Vatican City. What is the capital of Iceland? Okay, I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong. It's Reykjavik. Reykjavik. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie. What language has the most native speakers in the world? It's Mandarin Chinese. In computing, what does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which chemical element was named after a planet? Uranium. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the most spoken language in Africa? This is Swahili. Swahili. Who was the first president of South Africa after apartheid ended? This is Nelson Mandela. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and meat? Omnivores. In which year did the Titanic sink? 1912. What is the scientific name of the human species? Homo sapiens. And question 15, the final one, the quiz. What is the only food that never spoils? Honey. So please calculate how many you got correct in the easy, moderate, difficult sections. There was 15 in easy, 20 in moderate, and 15 in the difficult. Let me know how many you got in total and comment it down below. Also let me know if you'd like another cozy quiz. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.